Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you read more about the Ceasar's rewards application in the app itself. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the account. Press on it. And now you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on that as well. And here if you scroll down a little bit, you will find here the about Ceasar's rewards option. You can just press on it and this will take you to a different page. And here you can read all about the Ceasar's rewards application, basically the functions and everything. You can see all the locations here and everything else basically that you can find in this page. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.